Stop wasting your time watching videos about Kylie Jenner. You can take it one step forward. Enjoy your time earning money on YouTube in the process. This is how you can do it. So, Kylie Jenner, the youngest member of the Kardashians tribute. It seems like things are going pretty well for her. So would you. How? If you jump into the celebrity niche and focus your channel on the success story of the 24-year-old woman. Look at this channel, over $112,000 a month. Yes, you're not dreaming. The owner of The Things Celebrity doesn't have trouble anymore making ends meet. When you manage to build a passive income of $1 million a year, money becomes the least of your worries. But if you think you can make hundreds, thousands of dollars just by throwing out some random videos about Kylie Jenner, this can't be further from reality. You need a smart YouTube automation strategy to get there. And the celebrity niche has its own. The success of your channel depends on small but significant elements you will see right now. When some channels manage to make a living out of their YouTube automation business about Kylie Jenner, others are stuck in the sad phase before the monetization moment. Even for the YouTube creators who get paid from AdSense, the difference is really big. This happened. $14,000 a month. Top 10 beyond the screen, $26,000 a month. Quite the double. But this channel here is making way more, $112,000 a month. So what does this channel do that the others don't? First, the income of a YouTube automation channel depends on the number of videos. Since the CPM is quite the same, the frequency you publish content is what makes the difference. A quick reminder of what a CPM is. It's the amount of money advertisers are willing to pay you per 1,000 views. So, the more videos you put in your channel, the more money you earn. But does it mean you should focus on quantity over quality? Of course not. This raised another question. Since all the videos about Kylie Jenner outline the same facts, what makes a video own more views and likes than another? It obviously starts with the thumbnail and the title. But there is something even more important you're going to learn at the end of this video. So don't miss any tips to create your channel and increase your chances to stand out on the platform. Talking about the thumbnails, when we look at the channels we just mentioned, each one has its own aesthetic. But what they all have in common, they play on the emotions. They arouse, whether curiosity, empathy, or envy. In other words, they make you want to click on the video. So keep that in mind. People are moved by emotions way more than logic. And when it comes to Kylie, controversially named the youngest self-made billionaire in 2019, who made her way to wealth with Kylie Cosmetics, standing at a valuation of nearly $900 million. There's a lot more going on in her daily life to catch attention on YouTube. So when you pick an idea, a thumbnail, or a title, focus on what gets people's attention. And according to the number of views of the videos created about Kylie, her love-hate relationship with Travis Scott seems to captivate all the interest. But still, you need to implement another element in your YouTube automation strategy to get your channel generating millions with AdSense. It's called the binge watching effect. You need to make the viewer stick in your channel and watch as many videos as you can. That's when you get more watch time. It increases your revenues. YouTube will also push your videos since binge watching shows a deep interest in the content of a YouTube channel. So, if you love Kylie Jenner or any other member of the Kardashians, instead of losing your time watching juicy news about them, create your own content. Not only is it going to be fun, but it will also generate a good amount of money. Who knows? Maybe the channel you're going to create today will be the YouTube automation business that's going to lead you to financial freedom, make you work from home as little as 2 hours a day. If you're serious about becoming a successful YouTuber without showing your face, check out the following video about how to start a YouTube automation channel without spending a penny. Don't forget to subscribe. It's totally free.